Greetings to everyone joining with us for the virtual celebration of Gandhi Jayanti. Today, India enjoys freedom in all spheres of life because of an initiative of one great soul, Mahatma Gandhi. It is he who mobilized people under one mind and heart to free India from the bondage of the British rule. Gandhiji, father of nation, remembered for his contribution towards the Indian freedom struggle. We join hands seeking God to bless our leaders, our people and our country. Let us invoke God's blessings with a bhajan.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान 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 रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम
Thank you, Nihara, for invoking God's blessings on all of us.
Gandhiji has influenced millions of people throughout the world through his simple life. Let us dedicate some time to reflect on his eventful life and draw inspiration for our lives. We have amongst us young and energetic priest, Reverend Father Rahul Dexter Souza. Currently, he renders his service as assistant parish priest at Immaculate Conception Church, Urva. He is a good motivator for the youngsters. Now, let us listen to Reverend Father Rahul D'Souza.
Hello everyone. Today is a very special day for every citizen of India. October 2nd is a day where the father of our nation is widely celebrated in every nook and corner of the country. Be it schools, be it institutions, students holding placards, posters, banners everywhere, and a few of them shouting slogans as well, saying Bapu, Bapu. Truly the spirit, the vibe is outside them. But I guess it's a high time we need to bring the spirit inside of us. We are people who look for change. The problem is we always look for a change in someone else. We want that person to change, we want her to change, someone else to change, apart from me. The problem is Gandhiji saw a change within himself and he brought that change outside of him. So I would like to tell you about L square. Well, I'm not talking about mathematics today. I'm talking to you something what Gandhiji saw as a powerful weapon. The first thing is a leader who was passionate to speak truth, to fight for the truth, and who always sought the truth. And the second L stands for love for the other. And if you have these two things in your life, I think we can change anything under the sun and we can make this place a better place to live. So friends, what do you want? Do you want a success or do you want to give an excuse? These two things don't go together. Remember, Gandhiji was a strong person who always sought success and never gave an excuse, because success doesn't belong to those persons who give excuses, and a person who gives an excuse will never taste success. Remember this, you cannot blend these together. And also remember, Gandhiji as a person was committed for a few things, and let us take this commitment very strongly. For example, he was committed for something. He was committed for a cause, as we know, Ahimsa, Satyagraha, Quit India movement, and lot many aspects where he stood for something. St. Aloysius College always carries this motto, making men and women for others. Remember, you are not for yourself, you are always for the other. There are three things which I would say that we need to inculcate. The first thing is accept. When I think this is right, let me accept it. When I think this is wrong, then let me change. And that is where the second step is. So first is accept, the second is change. If I don't like this, a particular aspect, if I don't agree with a particular situation or a circumstance, let me change it. And if you can't change it, it is better that I accept as it is and I live my life in this world, in this country, and make this place a better place to live in. So do a list today, here and now, a list of a few factors. For example, if I have a positive factor or a vibe within me, let me improve on it. Let me march on with it. If I have a negative vibe or a factor within me, let me see that I may stay far from it or move away from it and totally be free from it. And finally, let me find a person in my life where I can be a Gandhi to him, a Gandhi to her. And at the end, finally, let not Gandhi be always outside of me, but let the spirit of Gandhi be within me and thus be a change maker in this world. Thank you.
Thank you, Reverend Father Rahul Dexter Souza, for a wonderful message for the youngsters of St. Aloysius Free University College, Mangalore on this occasion.
Gandhiji had dreamt of a fully fledged nation and had taken an oath to get back India its lost glory.
Our country needs to follow the principles laid by Gandhiji, which unfortunately has been forgotten. So let's build that India together, which Gandhiji had dreamt of.
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे भूले हम राहे हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम बना रे नफरत की आधी बहती रे वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे आजा रे बापू आजा रे हो झूठ का बढ़ता जाए राज ओ बापू अपने ही हो गए धोखेबाज आज हमें अपनों से बचा ले आजा रे बापू मेरे